Good day everyone, another two-part special video here. And first up we have the new cars from Majorette. Not a lot, but still really great looking cars. And this is their new Honda Civic Type R. Check that out. Check that one out. Probably their best looking Honda Civic Type R yet. And next up we have here part of the Vintage Deluxe series. Check out that two-door Mustang. It is just a fantastic casting, and I love the flames on this car. Wow, what a great car. And up next, part of the Premium Deluxe series. Check this one out, the new Land Rover Defender. This reminds me of the Matchbox Land Rover Defender, but the difference of that is the reserve tire is on the hood. And check out these cars here. I believe these are exclusive in Australia. The 13 Cabs collaboration. Check out the Toyota Altis right there. And check out the High Ace with the Altis. Also the Altis here is in black. So we will now move on to the second part of the video. Let us unbox beautiful cars here. So we move on to the second part of the video, and I hope you enjoyed that quick list here of the new Majorettes coming out soon. And what do we have here? What will we unbox? And this is it, the Bburago 2009 GTR. Let's see how this looks out of the blister. And again, this is a 1/64 scale, as they say, but like all Bburagos that they say is 1/64, this is a really big car for a 1/64 car here. So pretty simple, straightforward packaging, and let us now unbox this one. So here it is, the GTR. Tightly secured here. Okay, I hate these types of packaging, but here it is again. It is in, I think it is a chrome silver paint job. Not too sure, but yeah, this looks chrome. And as you know, chrome paint job, chrome paints are generally more susceptible to fading and bubbles. And you can see already here a lot of paint bubbles already on the hood of the car, and the side here, this part too. Check that one out, a lot of paint bubbles already. But let's check out the details first before we check out the bubbles. So check out the front of the car. They just painted the headlights here. So the grille, of course, new cars have these unnecessary accessory here, which is the big intake grille here. But for the GTR, I think this is a necessity, because as you know, this one needs a lot of cold air right there to add more boost. Other side, pretty straightforward, simple, clean paint job. The molding is not that good, as you can see here on the gasoline area, gas cover here. And check out the back here. Taillights are painted, not really painted quite well. You can see the outermost left headlight. Some parts are not painted. It has the Nissan logo though, and the GTR logo right there. No details on the plate holder. It has the spoiler, which is this is plastic. Really sad. But the body is die-cast metal though. The spoiler is just plastic. Rims look good. It has this fake caliper right there. So the base, as you might not have known yet, these Bburagos use screws to attach the body to the base, which is kind of neat. But their axles are big, so you can't use standard like Hot Wheels tires and axles combination with these cars. So overall, for the price, which is cheaper than Hot Wheels, still a good buy. So that is all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And please, if you have time, watch our other videos, guys. It will really help us a lot. And see you soon, guys. Bye bye. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of the day. Have a great day, guys.